Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a Google form to your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to the website you want to add a Google form on, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and first thing I will create a blank space to add my my Google form. Now here to add my Google form, simply click on this plus icon or elements, scroll down to the bottom and drag and drop this embed code element just like that. Now click on enter code, delete this default code, and now go to Google form. This is the official website. I will create a new Google form. After creating or after editing your Google form, publish it just like that. Now that your Google form is published, click on these three dots and click on Embed HTML. Copy this code just like that. Double click it to select it all, or just a single click and copy it like that, or just hit this copy button. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Or just hit this copy button. As you see, copy it to clipboard, return to the website builder, and from in this embed code window, paste it, and then hit this embed code button. And just like that, you will see your Google form embedded or added to your website. If you need to adjust the section where your Google form is added, just use this little section height icon. Now let's update my website to publish this Google form. Let's view my website live. And this is how to add Google form to your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.